In my top of part plane, I'm going to select it, start a sketch. I'll look normal too, and I'm going to sketch a circle locked at the center. I'll use mouse gestures to switch the dimension. And I'll dimension this inch and 5/8. Then I'll press escape to stop dimensioning. Because this circle is going to be used in a loft, I could leave it as is, but I want to be able to control the shape of the loft. So next I'm going to split this using the split entities command. So from the drop down menu, I'm going to select Tools, move down to Sketch Tools, and then select Split Entities. And I'm going to split this circle roughly here and here, then again here and here, and I'll do the same on the bottom half. Because it's going to be used as a loft, it should have the same number of sides as my other features. So my other feature in the loft will be this square with the corners around it, so it essentially has 8 sides. So I need the circle split into 8 sections. So next I'm going to fully define these split points. I'm going to choose these two, and I'll make them horizontal. I'll make these horizontal as well. I'll do the same for these. So I've added the horizontal. I'll also make these vertical and these two vertical. Again, I'll use my mouse gestures to activate Smart Dimension, and I'll dimension between these 3 points. The angle is 65 degrees, and then I'll dimension between these 3, 90 degrees. My sketch is now fully defined, so I'll move over here, right click, choose Exit Sketch, and we'll look at this isometrically. In the next video, we'll create our first loft.